Guys, good morning. Yeah, this is Nature Trail Mombasa, Haller Park or Butterfly Pavilion. Yeah, taking a walk to keep fit. We are the GN Cause group. We are having a walk as a group, as a company's group. So we are all of us. Yeah, all the staff. Yeah, taking a 10 kilometers walk. So we've started at 7:08 a.m. Yeah, let's see how long we are going to take this walk. Yeah, so that is it. Yeah, in Mombasa we have somewhere that is so beautiful. Maybe you can have a look. Tuna misitu pia si beach pekee. Yeah, those are my workmates. Some are lawyers, others are the court clerk, the registry guy, students. Yeah. Imagine this was an excavation place, and then the person who took it turned it into a forest. Yeah, and it attracts so many people. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, go with us. We're taking you through this journey. Let me show you the ones who are behind, including the boys. Yeah. You can see them. Those are the pace setters. And here we are, the middle group. And then the last group is there. The slow walkers. Yeah, keeping fit is good. So walking in the morning is refreshing to the body, mind and soul. So why don't you take a walk with us? Karibu sana. Mombasa, Butterfly Pavilion, Nature Trail. Name it. Karibu. Hey guys, look at how Mombasa is nice. We don't have only the sandy beaches. We have also forest. Somewhere you can come, release your stress, walk. Yeah, just look at nature, enjoy the beautiful trees that God has made. Yeah, that God has allowed to have life. Yeah, we're done with 1 kilometer. Yeah, if you can see the mark for 1 kilometer. This is it. 1 kilometer. Imagine. Yeah, 1 kilometer. Oh, but it is long. 9 to go. Yeah. Keep walking with us. My people, imagine we do this every Saturday. Entrance to Butterfly Pavilion is just 250 per person. And then you enjoy, you can stay as long as you want. And then you don't only come here for walks, you can come here for picnic with your family or friends. You can come here just to come and, like, if you're someone who, like a writer, you can come and just freshen your mind as you write your book, as you get ideas. Tuendelee na safari. Something else nice. Look at that. Just look at that. You see? Those are rocks. Yeah, in the middle of the forest. there's this road, yeah, to Bambure Cement. Yeah. So we are still in the move, not yet at the 2 kilometer. We are approaching 2 kilometers. Yeah, we're still going strong. Yeah, in this forest you can find the gazelles, dicks, monkeys. 2 kilometers done, 8 more to go. That's 2 kilometers done. Done with 5 kilometers, guys. Apparently, nilikuwa karibu kupoteza watu nikiwaambia turudi. Kumbe tumepatana na peacesetters. Wanajitanga peacemakers. We're still on the move. We're still on the move. This is part 2 of our walk. Yeah. We are done with 5 kilometers. 5 point something. So we are heading to 6. This is so nice. Just look at nature. Man. As who are watching those, if there is anyone who has fallen down, we are the first aiders. The 5 of us, we are the first aiders.
We don't have anyone.
Yeah, we are still watching. Maybe there's someone who has fainted on the way. We've carried even water for like a coolant. It's not water for drinking, coolant. Yeah. Yes.
And then post.
Kindly subscribe. Sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you put on the notification bell so that you can become among my gang. Yay! 4 to go. Hey, man. Yeah, 6 kilometers done. And look at that. Open ground with long grasses. The grasses, some grasses. Whichever it is, you should know that I am a Meru. Yeah, just look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah, man. Seven kilometers done. We are going to just 3 more kilometers to go. Just 3. Man, we have the energy. Jongolondo huyo mwingine. Guys, this is that part of our walk. Jane Paul. Unitafute in on the comment section. Ask me what Jane Paul means. I'll let you know. Yeah, we're still walking. Look at that. Your girl Eldamo, aka Kike, Miss Kike. Yeah. We're still walking. Yeah, hatuja give up. But on to our last, we just have some few meters and then we reach the end of our walk. So we're still enjoying the walk. Yeah, we bless God for this, for enabling us to have this morning walk. Si kawaida. Most people have not woken up, others are on sick beds, but we are healthy, walking, yeah, and enjoying the beautiful nature. Oh, let me show you some. Don't think that Mombasa is a boring place. It's a cool place. As you go to Fort Jesus, as you go to the ferry, Kenya Ferry, as you go for Marine Park, you can also come here, enjoy it, just have a walk, reflect on your life, enjoy the cool nature that God has given us. Yeah, look at that, man, so nice. Yeah, we are on our last some meters, I think 700 meters, possibly. We are not sure, so we are not counting anymore because we know we are done with the walk. And we do this every Saturday, so you can join us. Yeah, as a company though, but you can join us. You're welcome. Leave a comment on the comment section. Yeah, if you want to join us, if you want to join me now in the walk, leave a comment there. I will invite you. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah? So nice, so green, so cool. Huh? Man, this is so nice. Karibuni sana Mombasa, my people. Make sure that if you've not subscribed, what? You've not subscribed. Huh? Subscribe, please. Yeah, don't be just watching. And make sure you like my videos. Hit the notification bell so that you can become among my first gang when I upload any video. Yeah, you can be the first, among the first to watch it. Thank you, God bless. Yeah, let's keep on walking. Eldamo the walker and other walkers with me. That's dinner there. And this is Chelsea. Yeah. As I said, we are the first aiders, but no one has fallen today. Hi guys, done with 10 kilometers. Hey, what a cool morning. Oh, we've used 3 hours. Yeah, 3, 7, 8, 9, 2 hours, sorry. 2 hours. Yeah, so now this is me just taking a swing.
Yeah. Gladys is coming. Gladys is coming. Simgoje.
Yeah, this is me. And this is my group, my cool. This is Mr. Kaveve. You know you're going to be in my vlog. This is Mr. George Kaveve. This is Eliud, kijana mwenye pesa zake. This is Dinah. We were in the same team. This is our breakfast. This is our breakfast. This is our breakfast. This is Madam Ali.
15,000 steps!
And this is Chelsea again, the first aiders. Jewel. Hey, wow, such a beautiful name. Chelsea's friend. And this is my girl. Hey, Gloria. Leo amenishinda. Leo hajashikwa na attack. Yes. Leo hajashikwa na smart. And this is Carlist.
The new hot guy in town.
That is Mr. Gikandi there. That is Mr. Gikandi. Yeah, let me show you the rest. This is Mutisia. It's Patrick Mutisia Muchengi. And this is Uncle. Just as. Look at the games people are doing. That is Carlist. 1, 2. 1, 2. 3, 4. A big circle. Create your own space.
Let's start.
Yeah, they're doing
Higher pace.
They are doing it. They are doing it. They are doing it. I'm not doing it. But I'm also doing.
Now stretch.
We are stretching. We are doing 180.
We have stretched.
You are swinging your neck. I change the side now. The other side.
Why are you not saying Alice now? And they are going.
That one you can do. Because you're doing it at 360. At 360.
Tell him to help you do it. Either.